I'm Anil Kumar. We have some practice questions here to factor sum and difference of cubes. There are 4 examples. X cube plus 8, we need to factor 27 minus a cube. We need to factor 54 minus 16b cube and also 128 a cube minus 2b cube. Let me give you the formula also. If I have a cube minus b cube, it could be factored as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? In case, as we have in the very first one, we have a plus sign here, then the signs will change a bit, so that is the change. So if you have a cube plus b cube, then it will be a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So those are the formulas which may be applied to solve these questions. Now let us see how to factor them. X cube plus 8. Now you can write 8 as 2 cube. So we'll rewrite this expression as x cube plus 2 cube. Now we can apply this formula directly where a is x and b is 2. So we could write this as equal to x plus 2, that is the first factor, a plus b, and then a square minus ab plus b square. A is x for us, so we can write this as x square minus ab, product of these two, that is 2x, plus square of 2, which is 4, right? So that is how you factor them. Here is the second question for you, which is a practice question on the similar base. You could write 27 as 3 cube, right? So it is 3 cube minus a cube. Now apply the formula and factor this one. So we can write this as 3 minus a times 3 square. 3 square is 9. Product of these two with a positive sign, that is 3a plus a square, right? So in single step, you can actually factor these ones. These two examples are slightly different. We may have to take a common factor first and then factor them. Here, as you can see, 2 is a common factor, so I'll write this as 2 times 54 divided by 2 is 27 and 16 divided by 2 is 8, so we get 8b cubed. Now 27 is 3 cube and 8 is 2 cube. Let me rewrite this as equal to 2 times 27 is 3 cube minus 2 cube b cube, right? So that is the 8b cube term. It is also of the form a cube minus b cube, so we'll apply this formula and factor. 2 is already there outside, keep it there. Then 3 minus 2b times square of 3, which is 9. Now with plus sign, multiply these terms. 2 times 3 is 6, so we get 6b. And now square both of them. So 2b square, 2 square is 4. 4b square. So that is critical to understand, right? So go through this once again and try to understand why I got 6b here and 4b square there, okay? The last one here is similar kind. We'll factor 2 first. So this becomes 64 a cube minus b cube. What we did was we factored 2. So let me write 2 at the end. I forgot to write here. Anyway, so let me rewrite 2 here. I'll write 64 as cube of 4. It is 4 cube a cube, right? Minus b cube. Let's apply the formula once again. A minus b formula is being applied. So 4a minus b is the first term. In the second term, square this term, 16a square. Multiply these with a positive sign, 4ab. And with positive sign, square the last term, which is b. Correct? So with that, you get the factored form of this difference of cubes. So in sum of cubes and difference of cubes, one formula is given to you that is being applied. At times, you may have to group factor as we did with these two examples, correct? I hope that gives you a good idea about factoring such expressions. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you and all the best.